Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Hexa Sort game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Hexa Sort game on your device, you will directly be taken within the game from which you can start playing. Now, all the instructions that you receive will be in your system default language. When you tap on the gear icon at the top right, there is no particular option to change language. So if you wish to change the language within the game, you will need to open up your phone settings and then search for language. You can look within app languages, but if you don't find the Hexa Sort game within this category, then you will need to change the language of your entire device. To do this, just tap on the language option and then click on Add Language in order to add your desired language. Once you have added your chosen language, just tap on this language and it will be applied to your entire device, which also includes the Hexa Sort game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Hexa Sort game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.